is this training for? This is for anybody who wants to get into tech. You could be an absolute beginner, you could be a fresher, you could be anybody who has no idea and you want to launch into your tech career. Please be minded that tech career has very few jobs, but they are very high paying. Okay. So they are some of the best jobs right now. So physically and mentally lock yourself in, engage, keep your energy absolutely high. Okay. Number one, we also looked at the fact that there was a recent event where all of our students, were there. That was a beautiful, and I'm super grateful that that happened. So we looked at different kinds of survival careers. We looked at the AI agent Sarah. We looked at the fact 81 million jobs were lost. We looked at the fact that 97 million jobs were created. So in your Hall of Fame, you have Rahul Torad, Dr. Ajit, Midansh, Lavanya, Samiksha, Ravinder, Suman, and Srikala, right? And AI skilled workers are the best people right now. And AI is replacing a lot of jobs. A lot of jobs are going in terms of telecallers, data entry operators, customer support agents, so on and so forth, right? Basic graphic designers, resume writers, cover letters, all these people are going to go. Goal is to understand something new, learn, and keep going to the next level. And these are the McKinsey reports. Industries impacted by AI, right? And our values are technical, spirituality, and family. So make sure that you take your game to the next level if these are values aligned with you. Certificate details and roadmap. Making sure you have Python and data science pre-processing. We are doing 30 days of coding challenge using AI to build apps, one capstone project, 25 case studies. We have LLMs, RAGs, agentic frameworks, MCP servers. All of these are included for the 90 days, right? So upskill in AI, full stack, get projects, get your community, and then people are, and there's also a slight conspiracy going on. People are sent to the moon and Mars. People can drive self-driving cars. Employers do not want to upskill employees. Employers want highest work with least expenditure. Okay? So there's a war going on right now. Brace yourself, either evolve or perish. Titles most risky: program manager, regional manager at a bank, application and infrastructure support, AVP of operations. Most risky attitude is exploring, curious. Okay? And yeah, curiosity killed the cat. So positive attitude. You need to go all in. You need to take on head first the biggest conspiracy. Okay? Why is AI the hottest job? You can be rich and happy. 126 billion by 2030. Bridge the gap between industry demands and your skills. Fast train AI, rich and happy AI career is very, very important. Okay, so AI is the fastest way and AI is the easiest way. Secret one, principles. Focus is your most important asset, right? Even now I have very, very less apps on my smartphone. Systems work, people fail. If there are 6 steps to make a pizza, make sure that you have a lot. Uh, um, the right sequence is the most important, right? Because if you don't sequence it properly, you won't even get a pizza. You won't even get a dosa, right? And don't be cheap on your way to greatness. This is a premium course, so make it premium, right? Example, I'd given when I was at IIT, I used to do crack software. Don't do that. AI is the fastest way to learn AI using the secret WUD framework. That's the secret one. AI is the easiest way to learn AI. We did it, so you can do it too. Okay, so you have the right, understand, and debug way. So fast train AI, use AI to learn AI, two must have skills, rich and happy AI career. And I struggled for years trying to understand this stuff. I was shy with people, so wouldn't ask for help, getting distracted, not from tech, but I still did it, and you can do it too, right? That's my father, whose mission was also to educate and help people. I hope you are part of his mission as well, which is, via me, you can fulfill that. Inner mindset. Why smart people are stuck? Too many courses, no clear roadmap, fear of coding, bad boss, comfort zone. Day two, we looked at the fact that AI agents require manual input every time. They only respond when you ask or give a command, right? They do not need manual input each time. They can work autonomously without any human intervention, right? Work within their own platform or feature. That is one thing about AI agents, right? We looked at this. And they also can connect and interact with multiple external apps and tools seamlessly, right? AI agents, tools can only follow specific instructions or perform single actions. AI agents can analyze situations, make decisions, and take actions intelligently. Okay, so these are the differences between AI tools versus AI agents. Okay, everybody clear with this? Great. Next, we also looked at a few more things in terms of AI tools versus AI agents, which is AI tools can perform individual task-based operations, while agents need to work on defined objectives or goals until completion. AI tools can function independently and do not communicate with other tools. AI agents can connect and collaborate with other agents to achieve shared outcomes. AI tools handles only one type of task. So ChatGPT can only handle one type of task. Canva tool can handle only one type of task, but AI agents can work together towards a common objective. AI tools can help you complete specific tasks when used manually. AI agents can run your business or organization on autopilot, managing these tasks continuously. Okay. So let's put this font. Yep, that's good. Cool. Next, AI tools can perform individual tasks. We've looked at this. Let's look at a few more differences of AI agents. They can also work on defined objectives or goals until completion. AI agents can contact and collaborate with other agents to achieve shared outcomes. Multiple agents can work together towards a common objective. AI agents can also run your business on organization on autopilot, managing these tasks continuously. Okay. Next, we also looked at data. Data, on the right side, you have population density map of South Korea. You have weekly weather conditions in Washington, D.C. You also have prices of individual stocks with daily highs and lows. These are all the types of everyday data. Okay. Data refers to raw facts, figures, or information that is collected and stored for analysis or decision making. So we looked at text data, we looked at numbers data, we looked at tablets data, we looked at images, we then looked at sound, then we looked at an example of a data set. You have price, size of house, and number of bedrooms. All this is kind of examples of data sets, right? So then you can On the left, you have acquiring data. You have manual labeling. You have cat, not cat, cat, not cat. You have from observing behaviors. Um, you have Almelu Ramanathan. She's one of her testimonials. She was from insurance background and really wanted to get into AI along with her husband. And she was really happy she took the right step. So you have doubts, fears, and conditions, distractions. So you want to install growth-driven mindset, focus systems, and invest in greatness, right? So this is a nice testimonial by Suraj Prakash, manifestation of the big leap. Um, Before he joined pixletests, he knows the breadth but not the depth was the vibe that he got from his team. Many people who are just good programs may not be in the core concepts. They are just attracted to high-level macroscopic shifts, and vice versa. Most people who know concepts are afraid of the technical part. Ergo, nobody's really confident. Nobody knows how good you are in basics or backend or your program. Everyone sees what is your output. One of our students got 28,844 impressions. Was quite amazing to know that he started posting only 3 weeks back and has 40 plus connections. Build your personal brand. Never ever, beg anybody. You'll feel empowered. You will feel You will feel intrinsically the need to change when you see inbound leads. Don't be addicted to outcomes. It's the process that always matters. Explore the different content using ECG framework. Try posting at least 4 times a week. That will generate inbound leads instead of you seeking outbound leads. Next, let's look at a few more of our subject. Okay, then we looked at text in Python. Text are used to represent text. Hello world, my favorite drink is Earl Grey tea. Then you have strings, right? Then we have quotations. Then we have triple quotes. Then we have UL while scanning string literal. Then we have errors. We looked at the write, understand, debug. Agents foundation. So first we looked at trigger, action, and output. Trigger, the event that starts the automation, like receiving an email, a new form submission, or a message. Action, the tasks that happen automatically after the trigger, such as replying to an email, updating a sheet, or sending a message. Output, the final result or outcome, the completed task, saved data, or confirmation message. Okay, that's the AI agent's foundation. Structure of an automation. Structure of an automation. You have trigger, you have action and output. The event that starts the automation, like receiving an email, a new form submission, or a message. Action, the tasks that happen automatically after the trigger, such as replying to an email, updating a sheet, or sending a message. And final output is the final result or outcome. The completed task, saved data, or confirmation message. Okay. How to build AI agents. So we're going to look at that right now. How many of you want to know this? Type yes in the chat box. How many of you want to know this? Type yes in the chat box. This is the most important thing, okay?